Welcome to quiz time. 10 questions. Let's see how many you can get right. Question 1. What is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. B. Lion. C. Gazelle. D. Ostrich. The answer is A. Cheetah. Cheetahs can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3 seconds, faster than most sports cars. Question 2. What is the largest ocean on Earth? A. Pacific Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. The answer is A. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean contains the Mariana Trench, Earth's deepest point, reaching nearly 11,000 meters below sea level. Question 3. What planet has rings? A. Saturn. B. Mars. C. Venus. D. Earth. The answer is A. Saturn. Saturn's iconic rings are primarily made of billions of ice particles, ranging from tiny dust to mountains. Question 4. What is the tallest mountain? A. Mount Everest. B. K2. C. Mount Kilimanjaro. D. Mont Blanc. The answer is A. Mount Everest. Mount Everest grows by about 4 millimeters each year due to ongoing tectonic plate movement. Question 5. What animal has the longest neck? A. Giraffe. B. Ostrich. C. Camel. D. Llama. The answer is A. Giraffe. Despite its length, a giraffe's neck still only has 7 vertebrae, just like most mammals. Question 6. What is the smallest planet? A. Mercury. B. Mars. C. Venus. D. Pluto. The answer is A. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and has a day longer than its year. Question 7. What is the deepest ocean trench? A. Mariana Trench. B. Tonga Trench. C. Puerto Rico Trench. D. Java Trench. The answer is A. Mariana Trench. The Challenger Deep, located within the Mariana Trench, is the deepest known point on Earth. Question 8. What animal can change color? A. Chameleon. B. Lion. C. Eagle. D. Elephant. The answer is A. Chameleon. Chameleons change color not just for camouflage, but also to communicate and regulate their body temperature. Question 9. What is the hottest planet? A. Venus. B. Mercury. C. Mars. D. Earth. The answer is A. Venus. Venus's thick atmosphere traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect and extremely high surface temperatures. Question 10. What is the largest land animal? A. African elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Giraffe. D. White rhinoceros. The answer is A. African elephant. African elephants are the largest land animals, weighing up to 6 tons and standing over 13 feet tall. Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun quizzes every day.